Let's talk about industrial surface prep for a minute. Things like rust removal, paint stripping, or getting rid of mold. For decades, we've had our ways of doing it. But what if I told you there's a way to do it all faster, cheaper, and way safer, using nothing more than the power of light? Well, in this explainer, we're going to see how that's not just some sci-fi idea, but a total game changer for industry right now. So just take a second and really think about your current cleaning process. Are you constantly dealing with big clouds of dust, nasty, hazardous chemicals, and then, of course, the massive cleanup job afterwards? Yeah, if any of that is ringing a bell, then you already know there has to be a better way. These right here, these are the headaches that industries have just kind of accepted as the cost of doing business. You've got the real risk of damaging the very thing you're trying to fix. You've got those high recurring costs for blast media and chemicals that never seem to end. And don't even get me started on the safety gear and the hours spent just on cleanup. It's slow, it's dirty, and it is expensive. Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we're going to look at the old way of doing things. Then, we'll introduce this revolutionary new technology. After that, we'll put them head-to-head to see who comes out on top. And finally, we'll break down the numbers and talk about why this is such a smart investment. For years, decades really, businesses have had to rely on methods that, yeah, they get the job done, but boy, do they come with some serious baggage. And the real cost isn't just what you see on the invoice. It's the environmental hit from all that waste disposal. It's the potential for permanent, irreversible damage to your valuable equipment. And it's the constant safety risk for your operators. These methods were a necessary evil. And notice I said were. All right, now let's pivot to the solution. We are talking about a fundamental shift in how we approach surface preparation. This, my friends, is where laser cleaning enters the picture. Okay, so the most important thing to get here is that this is a totally non-contact process. A super focused beam of light does all the heavy lifting. It basically targets and just vaporizes contaminants like rust or old paint, but the material underneath, what we call the substrate, is completely unharmed. Why? Because it just reflects the laser's energy. So you get no chemicals, no blast media, and absolutely zero damage. And get this, the technology is now truly mobile. This is Chihalo's backpack system. I mean, just imagine a technician carrying this whole setup to a remote job site, ready to go in minutes. It's designed for maximum portability for all those on-the-go jobs where you just can't bring the work back to the shop. And then for all your in-house jobs, there's the trolley system. This thing has all the power you need for the factory floor, but it's still super easy to wheel between different workstations. It's all about bringing that incredible efficiency and precision of laser cleaning right into your existing workflow. All right, this is where it gets really, really interesting. How does this new tech actually stack up against the traditional methods we've all been using for years? Let's find out. Wow. I mean, just look at this chart. The results kind of speak for themselves, don't they? Laser cleaning gets 5 stars, perfect scores across the board. 0 substrate damage, no environmental waste, minimal cleanup. Now compare that to sandblasting and chemical stripping, which struggle in every single one of those categories. Seriously, from safety to cost to environmental impact, it's not even a close contest. Now, it's important to know that not all lasers are created equal. Think of it like this. A pulsed laser is your surgeon's scalpel. It delivers energy in these quick little bursts for unbelievable precision with almost no heat. It's perfect for delicate jobs. On the other hand, a continuous wave, or CW laser, that's your sledgehammer. It's a constant beam that just maximizes cleaning speed for heavy rust and thick coatings. Choosing the right one is all about matching the tool to the job. Okay, all this technology is seriously impressive, but let's get down to brass tacks. Does it actually make financial sense for your business? Let's break down the return on investment. This number right here is a total game changer. Your typical operating cost is just the electricity you use. We're talking somewhere between $2 and $5 an hour. Just think about that for a second. No more buying sand, no more buying chemicals, and no more paying for expensive hazardous waste disposal. The savings start on day one, and they just keep coming. And this table really brings that financial case home. You can see how that super low operating cost translates into a crazy fast return on your investment. Look, an entry-level machine, perfect for a small shop, can pay for itself in as little as 6 months. And even as you move up to the more powerful industrial units, the payback period is still remarkably short, often under 2 years. So this isn't just about buying a new tool. It's about making a powerful financial decision that frees up capital and gives you a serious competitive edge. So you might be thinking, how do I pick the right one for me? Well, it's actually a really simple 3-step process. First, you match the power to the kind of jobs you do every day. Second, you decide on portability. Do you need the go-anywhere backpack or the workshop-ready trolley? And third, you choose your laser type, the precision of pulsed or the raw speed of CW. That's it. So let's just recap the big takeaways here. Switching to laser cleaning is a clear win on every single front. It's so much better for the environment. It protects your valuable assets from any damage. It gives you surgical precision. It drastically cuts your operating costs, which means higher profits. And maybe most importantly, it creates a much, much safer workplace for your team. It's a strategic upgrade across the entire board. Look, the technology to completely revolutionize your work is here. It's available right now. It is cleaner, it is safer, and it is more profitable than anything that has ever come before. So really, the only question left is, are you ready to make the switch?